OneSource Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the software are in the description. OneSource Tax is a professional-grade tax compliance solution designed for large businesses and multinational corporations. Developed by Thomson Reuters, it specializes in automating complex tax calculations, ensuring compliance with ever-changing regulations. Key features include real-time tax data updates, seamless integration with ERP systems, and automated reporting for sales tax, VAT, and income tax. The software supports global tax compliance, making it ideal for enterprises operating across multiple jurisdictions. Its cloud-based deployment allows for remote access and scalability, while robust security measures ensure data protection. The interface is structured for efficiency, with customizable dashboards and automated workflows that reduce manual input. Users benefit from built-in audit trails and comprehensive reporting tools, helping businesses maintain accuracy and transparency. OneSource is particularly suited for tax professionals, accountants, and finance teams needing a reliable compliance tool. However, it may not be the best fit for small businesses due to its complexity and cost. Support options include extensive documentation, customer service, and training resources to assist with implementation and daily use. Overall, OneSource Tax is a powerful solution for enterprises requiring automation and accuracy in tax compliance. If your business needs a scalable tax management system with global capabilities, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.